given by
Supreme
this
Court
Congress
said
cabal.
that
They will
any
go to every
candidate can
length
file an
to
application
undermine India's
upon which
democracy, undermine
5%
India's
of the
constitution,
will
and
be
then they
sent
will
for
give us
forensic
भाषण
analysis.
कि लोकतंत्र खतरे में है, संविधान खतरे में है, डेमोक्रेसी खतरे में है, डेमोक्रेसी खतरे में नहीं है, संविधान खतरे में नहीं है, लोकतंत्र खतरे में नहीं है. You guys need a reality check. The hard truth is this: Narendra Modi, albeit with a reduced majority, is the Prime Minister for the third time running. Point number one. Point number two, for the fourth time. Arnav, can I please finish? I did not heckle anyone. I don't know who's giving background music.
I do not understand why.
And I don't know why you put me on the same panel as this abusive man.
What is the?
He's abused my family on your show, and you told me you will never get this man on the same panel as me. Either you get somebody else on the other side, or I refuse to debate with this abusive man.
Who is
I will not debate with this abusive hooligan. I refuse to make my points.
I believe
him.
The basic structure is getting wrong. You are not getting it right by trying to bring in Narendra Modi's victory and bringing him, as Prime Minister. Please try to respect. The BJP has forgotten
you are giving voice to the other side.
Democracy and the vote of the people.
This man starts heckling.
Why don't you people try to respect what has happened? The EVM or no EVM, do not forget to respect the people at large. The people have spoken, good, bad, indifferent. It might be that the Congress is taking some different stand.
I will not debate with this
so far as the TMC is concerned, there are no such statements.
No,
and let it be very clear
I think the point is, Orko, tell me one thing. Orko, tell me one thing. Yes. Listen, there was an article which came out on 16th morning saying that OTPs and phones are used to hack EVMs. The article has been proven to be false. In the 24-hour period, tell me, how did the entire Congress, Indie Alliance, IT machinery get involved in publicizing that article so much? How did you know that article was correct?
From the opposition. Can you at least allow BJP a rebuttal?
Yeah, but don't switch off the video and all that. That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. You can continue to debate. It's a debate.
You don't allow the BJP.
It's a debate. You also intervene. Then others don't switch off the video. No. When you speak, others don't switch off the video. Don't do that. Yeah, but it's rude to switch off the video like that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, Sanju.
EVMs were used was in 1982 on a pilot basis in an assembly poll in Kerala. The first time EVMs were used in assembly elections was way back in 2001. For the assembly elections in West Bengal, Puducherry, Tamil Nadu, and the BJP did not win any of these assembly elections in 2001. Did we question the EVMs? No. For the first time EVMs were used in a general election was way back in 2004. The BJP lost. Did we question EVMs? No. EVMs were used in 2009. Did the BJP question EVMs? No. The Congress won in 2004. The Congress won in 2009 and EVMs were used.
This does not mean that
भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता आदरणीय लाल किशोर आडवाणी जी ने उठाया, इसके बारे में आप क्या बोलोगे? सबसे पहला सवाल तो आदरणीय लाल किशोर आडवाणी जी ने, फिर अरुण जेटली जी ने, फिर सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी जी ने, तो पार्लियामेंट में इस पे सवाल उठाया था. तो सबसे पहले ईवीएम पे सवाल उठाने वाली भारतीय जनता पार्टी है.
कॉमन सेंस नहीं है क्या अनुराग जी? अनुराग जी,
आप मुझ पे क्यों आरोप लगा रहे हैं?
अनुराग जी, आपसे सवाल कर रहा हूँ, लेंगे मेरा सवाल कि डरते हैं? अनुराग जी, ज्यादा डरते तो नहीं है ना मुझसे? अनुराग जी, भयभीत मत होइए, मेरे सवाल को लीजिए.